Welcome back to Indian Feast Spot. This time I'm here with most requested travel and food vlog, Great Falls National Park Part 2. So every Tuesday you people can expect travel and food vlogs from our channel. In this video we tried some Asian food at 479. Our channel has a personal Facebook page. Please support us by following our Facebook page. Great Falls Park is located in McLean, Virginia, 15 miles away from Washington DC. If you love outdoors, stopping here should be on the top of your list when you visit Fairfax County. Offers many outdoor things to do like hiking, biking, fishing, horseback riding and more. Spring and fall are perfect time to visit. The Great Fall is a part of George Washington National Parkway. There are plenty of scenic views and stops along this route. This route is 12 miles long, leading to Great Falls. The park opens at 7 am until dark every day. At the park entrance, if you enter by foot or with bicycle, you need to pay $5 and the entrance fee is $20 for vehicles. On the weekends, if the parking lot is full, entrance may be closed temporarily. Trail maps are available at the entrance station. The map shows 15-mile hike trails on both sides of Visitors Center. Visitors are encouraged to carry water along with them. Visitor Center is closed due to the COVID preventative measures. All other outdoor areas are open, including the trails, picnic areas, overlooks and green spaces. One side of Visitors Center leads us to the Potomac Heritage National Scenic Trail. It includes hiking, biking and fishing is permitted with Virginia State Fishing License. For group of kids, there are educational field trip programs available throughout the year. Along the trail walk, we see historic remains of the Potomac Channel. The trail route is on the banks of Potomac. It's home for native animals such as white-tailed deer, fox, box turtles, squirrels, and chipmunks. A wide variety of plants, including several rare species, thrive in this environment. This is excellent location for birding. There are 163 species of birds during spring. Mostly you see ducks, herons, goose and songbirds. To watch this wide variety of birds, do not forget to take your binoculars along with you. We see some of the fishing spots where people stopped by. After a few miles, the trail gets narrowed down and the climbing sites begin. There is a 1-mile rocky path to reach the Great Falls. The climbing paths are not so dangerous. With short approaches, the climb at Great Falls is very accessible. From Visitors Center, there are 3 overlook sites which give different views of Great Falls. They are very accessible and nearby. This path leads to one of the overlooked sites. For your safety, when kids are around with you, do not climb or go beyond the fences. Whitewater rafting is on the other side of Visitor Center. Great Falls is a place for kayaking. You can also enroll online to get kayaking classes during summer and spring. We are almost at the end of the parkway. At the side of the George Washington Memorial Parkway, you see water running down through the river bend. We kept going on the rocky path. Eventually met the destination and stopped by for beautiful views. The hike was fun and desires for more visits over again. Later in the evening, we stopped at Vietnamese food restaurant, which is famous throughout America as Pho 79. This restaurant offers popular Vietnamese street style food. They have variety of traditional sauces made with Vietnamese local spices. Pho is hot noodle soup. They have both vegetarian option and non-vegetarian options. They also give bean sprouts, lemons and greens as sides. The vegetarian is made of tapioca noodles, topping with variety of veggies like lettuce, fried onions, broccoli, mushrooms, savory veg broth, thin sliced carrots, slabs of tofu, and rice noodles. In non-vegetarian, they say they add egg noodles and broth. In non-vegetarian menu, they have wide variety of seafood, meat and chicken. The food was served very hot. My husband and I were so pleased with our dinner at the restaurant. They have a good kids menu. We ordered vegetable spring rolls. They follow COVID guidelines while serving. They have awesome flavors. I am quite surprised to see their vegetarian options like spring rolls and veggie pho. These are healthy, amazing and tasty. Vietnamese cooking is admired for its fresh ingredients, minimal use of dairy and oil, and mostly relies on herbs and vegetables. These flavors are unique and worth trying. See you back on next Tuesday with another travel and food vlog. For more interesting videos, please subscribe to Indian Feast Spot.